Hi everyone, I'm Nicole from Streamlight, and today we're going to teach you how to replace your side saddle USB battery. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up our side saddle and you're going to take out the 2 screws located next to the power button. We're going to remove the tail cap. You're going to have to give this part a little wiggle and then it should pop right out. Also, if your rubber piece happens to pop out, don't worry, you can just pop it right back in and make sure your little rubber piece is in the center. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the inner component from its outer shell. And for that, what you're going to do is look at the inner component, find its blank space, and push it right on through. Pop out the battery, so just grab it by its side. Grab the wires at its base and pop it right out. Our next step is going to be grabbing your new battery and we're going to plug it into the port right here. When we do that, just make sure that the 2 metal pieces are facing up and plug it right in. Put the battery back into its place, tuck these wires and slide it in. Next, we're going to put the inner component back into its shell. You're going to make sure that the battery is face up with the label, and you'll slide it back into place. Our next step is going to be to put the tail cap back on. Just going to make sure that you align up the edges. The final step is to put your screws back into place. For more information on the SL-Sidesaddle USB, you can either visit our website or you can click on the link below.